Hello, welcome to Chiristna and Braised Korean Food Story. I'm Chiristna. I'm on the west coast of the western part of Korea right now. Here is famous for tidal flats. Do you see? It's gapper. Tidal flat gapper in Korean, it means a wide flat land near a base or river where the tide goes in and out. Tidal flats are nicknamed natural kidney. This is because tidal flats purify the polluted sea like the kidneys that filter wastes. When tidal flats disappear, people and various living things that depend on them are damaged and the ecosystem is destroyed. South Korea's tidal flats were unanimously registered as a UNESCO World Heritage Site on July 26, 2021 by 21 countries. There are 4 tidal flats in Korea. Among them, I came to Seucheon tidal flat, gapper in Korea. Shall we try the tidal flat experience now? Wow. Whew. Tidal flat experience was fun and mysterious. This precious tidal flat should be well preserved. The west coast has the largest number of tidal flats in Korea. 83% of Korea's total tidal flat area is distributed in the west coast area. Now, on the west coast, jumbo shrimp is in season. See, jumbo shrimp is store shop here. If the Jumbo Shrimp Festival starts at this time of year, the place will be hot with many tourists. But due to the coronavirus last year and this year, it is only operated online. So let's see. Let's learn about the ketone-rich jumbo shrimp, which is delicious when grilled and eaten as fried shrimp. It has a high protein, low fat food that is good for dieting. And it makes skin beauty too. So you should try the seasonal food jumbo shrimp. Let's try. Let's go.